Hello guys, today's plan second engineer and motorman Richard to install the main engine starting valve assembly to cylinder cover number 5. Please note that yesterday's second engineer and motorman Richard already removed the main engine starting valve assembly from the bore in cylinder cover number 5 and then followed by cleaning the bore. As you can see guys, motorman Richard transporting the ready reconditioned spare starting valve assembly by the use of our engine room crane. Now carefully bring down the starting valve assembly to the bore of main engine cylinder cover and make sure not to damage the o-ring and the joint o-ring. Once the starting valve assembly properly lay on the seat of the bore, then removed the hook of the engine room crane from the wires link. Screwed 4 nuts in the stud bolts and then tightened the 4 nuts crosswise through an angle of 100 degrees. Lastly guys, connect the 5-way valve assembly with new o-rings to the cover of starting valve assembly. Tighten equally the Allen bolts by the use of Allen wrench. Thanks for watching guys.